Hello everyone, Hatem for Objection, back again with the newest news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you ReFa. Everyone wondering about this product, about this company, about this Japanese product. Let me explain for you because, I know about it well. So let me tell you. This is massager for face, okay? This is Japanese. As you see, this is original one. Have written only by Japanese. I don't understand what the hell they are saying. MTG, this is all I understand. And made in Japan is the most important thing for me, okay? Let me say you something, guys, about this. Let's see, maybe it's something we can figure it from the anything. Okay, there is nothing. Okay, as you guys see here, this one is latest model, okay? And the box looks really luxury, to be honest with you guys. Okay, this is, I will say something. Let's unbox and let's talk. Here's catalog, serial number, catalogs, explanation how to massage. This is, you have to understand how to massage it, okay? And wow, this is really luxury, I guess Cristiano Ronaldo used it for his face, as I understand. We have here tissue paper. Wow, looks luxury. And we have here another one. It's from, like from Velour. We have here, this is a cover. Wow, looks so luxury. Okay, here we have this. Let me tell you things about it, you guys. See, it's like goldy. It's platinum, okay? Platinum mixed with gold. Okay, this one is give you electromagnetic, natural electromagnetic to your face while it's massaging your face, to massage your muscles in your face. So if you have lines in your face and like this, it's kind of, guys, I want to tell you something. It's kind of sport for your face. Why I prefer this? I not support this company. I don't know even what the fuck is this company. I hear about that everyone talk about it, so I bought it. I tried by myself, and I tell you guys, really, listen. I can tell you that this thing will affect on you after 2 or 3 months. And the result, I not guarantee it for you, maybe 70%. Because I don't know. Listen, I explain you something. You have to understand me well. This thing, it's massager for face, yeah. It's massage your muscles. But also you need your hands to massage your face by your hand. You understand me? This will help you to move lines around your mouth. These two lines around your mouth. This will help you to move them. But don't count on it 100%. And never go to Objection like this. This is bullshit. You will fuck your face in yourself. Massage by your fingers every day morning your face by circle way. It looks like plastic dick, by the way. I don't know why. Like 2 balls. Anyway, use this, but don't count on her 100%. By the way, there is Italian and there is Japanese products that you can put it in your face to move lines. Also, you can use it as helping for this. And trust me, nothing will fuck your face and make you have lines more than stress. Stress here, stress there, stress everywhere, like this guy that's in Bronx, he say. Yeah, I mean, stay away from stress, okay? Stress is the first reason that let you have lines in your face and you look more older. And stay away from sleeping late. This is number 2. Okay, the things that I want to tell you, that this thing, people tested, and there's a girl with a funny accent, I guess she's Russian. She bring a viewmeter, and she tested the electromagnetic here. Is this really have solar system or no? Really, guys, I can't understand how, but this thing really have solar system. The cool thing about this, that this is really have solar system. All other products, Chinese, that by battery, not by battery, that you write that they have solar system, all bullshit. This is the only real one that she have solar system. And when you will start massage your face, you will feel really kind of something like she cuts your face, she massage it. Amazing feelings, you got me? I'm gonna show you now how. This is original one, and you should be careful from fake or like this. As you see, I'm gonna make it for you more closer, that you understand. Here the print Raphael. Here they have like crystal. Here it's like this. It's platinum mixed with gold. And you want to understand that this is original. No, bring a view meter and put the minus here and the plus here. If that counter go, which is mean this is original. If it's not go, which is means not original. All others messenger for face, it will not show you any in a view meter any kind of solar system. This is the only one that gonna show you that this have solar system. Okay, and this is the most important thing. That with battery like this, you don't need to grab electric to your face. You need something natural. And as I tell you, don't count on it 100%. That's 100% gonna fix you. But maybe 50, 60, 70% according to your age, according to your how you in your mind how you accepting this idea or no. For example, let me try to show you. I'm gonna make wow. See guys, it's kinda grabbing my face. See? Wow, I don't understand how, but it's kinda when I do like this, it's not doing anything. But when I take it down, wow, it's really you feel really that this. It's funny. What I want to tell you that you have to watch how to massage your face with. It's not any like this. No, you have to watch how to massage your face with. And don't forget to clean this time by time when you do. Buy the tissue paper that they give you. Don't wash it. I don't think washing is going to be nice for it. Just clean it like this by so the wet tissue, but so dry one. Don't use wet tissues that have liquid, just by water, okay? So this is all I can tell you about this ReFa. If you want really result, don't stay away from fake. All the stuff that in Amazon and like this, it is fake. And I prove it by this avimeter. This is the only one that really have solar system. So guys, I hope I hope I help you with this information. And thanks for watching. I stay away from fake product. Better you buy from a store or order it. Make sure that it's original. And see you again with another videos with Hatem for Objection. And hope everyone love and peace and happy Valentine's Day, by the way. And see you again with another video with Hatem for Objection. Peace and love. If you're not subscribed, I'm gonna find you.